wouldn't it be great if we were able to run our apps on an actual device? Yes, the answer is always yes. So if you go to Google and you go to develop.android.com, Studio Run Device, this is what you get. There's a lot of information here that will help you run your Android apps on an actual device. For me, because I'm on Mac, it doesn't take a lot of steps, but even if you are on Ubuntu or Windows, this is where you come to set everything up. Okay, let's get started. So I have actually a device running. This is the app that we have that is running at this point here. I'm using a software called Visor, which mirrors my Android phone. In fact, let's go back to Android Studio so you can actually take a look here. So if I go ahead and run, let's go ahead and say run, even though it's running, you see it says here LG Nexus 5, which is running Android 6 API 23. So it's way lower than what we have here in our Nexus Play Store. So in order for you to be able to start seeing your device here, you will have to connect via USB. And most importantly, you would have to go to your device. All right, so this is emulating my device. So let's go get out of here. So you would have to go to settings. So go and find settings, click on settings, and scroll down until you see about. Now you won't be able to see this developer options because the reason why I see is because I already am a developer. So I've set up for it to see developer options. So in your case, you won't see this. Just go to where it says about phone, click there and scroll way down. You're going to see where it says build number. So what you're going to do on your phone, of course, remember, this is an actual phone. You can't quite see it. It is a phone that I'm using to mirror it here. Okay, so it's a real device. So once you get here, you keep tapping. You notice for me, it says no need, you're already a developer. But for you, as soon as you keep tapping like this, it's going to get to the point where it's going to just say, okay, you are now a developer. Okay, it's going to give you this toast here that says you're already a developer. Once you do that, you may not see anything happening yet. But what you need to do is go back and go to storage and USB. What do we need to do is go now to your developer options, okay? Because you will see a developer options at this point once you have done what I just showed you. So click on developer options, and then all you need to do is to make sure that debugging, USB debugging is ticked. So this has to be on, okay? So slide it to be on, and you should be good, okay? Then you will be able to run your app or run your project here like this, and then you're going to have option to go to your device. So of course, if your device is not LG Nexus, it's not going to show that. It's going to show the name of your device. At which point you can go and say run, and a few seconds later you're going to see that your app is running. In fact, you can play from here, for instance, or I'm going to go ahead and touch the actual phone, which you're not going to see. If I say false, look at that, it's working. I can say true, that's false. I can say continue like that. Okay, so this is indeed how you connect your device to Android Studio. So coming back here, you notice that there's a lot of information here. So if you are having issues, or perhaps you are on PC, follow exactly how they tell you to do on PC. So you come down here, it says for Windows, you have to install USB driver for ADB. So there's a lot of dependencies here. So if I go ahead and click install OEM drivers, it gives you all the instructions that you need. So for instance, on Windows 10, it tells you to connect your device to a USB computer port, go to computer manage. So it tells you everything. There's really no reason for me to repeat myself here. So follow these instructions. They even have Windows 8.1. They even have Windows 7. Now to get all of the drivers that you need, depending on what device you are using, you can follow these links. Go ahead and do that and see if you are able to run on device. It's pretty fun because now you can see exactly what's going on. All right, I'm going to get rid of this, go back, select that, and there's an app. Pretty fun.